Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome to our daily market insights. And today, this is just a pre recorded video. And what you see on your screen right now are the stocks we are going to review. Okay, so let us start. FPH, First Philippine Holdings. Okay, for FPH, you are still currently sitting at the support area. And what's interesting about today is the volume that we have seen and observed. Okay, so this is a noticeable volume that happened today. So watch out for it. Just observe. Hopefully, we'll see a price starting above 78.96 area. Either way, you are at a very good level for FBH. Okay, notice that volume. Next, IMI. IMI. Okay, so you are currently above the MA20 line over here. So I would have to say that you are still sitting at a healthy level for IMI. I would have to say that the safest support would be around 8 pesos area. The reason for that is we've seen price landing at this level in the previous weeks. I think this was about last week of August, and you're sitting above the MA20 line, but definitely it could rally between 801 and above. And if you can get in as near as you can to the 8.01 level, the better. LR. LR is also doing some sideways movement over here, still at a healthy level. So I am thinking, because notice your Bollinger Band, it's getting constricted. So it will just have minimal movements in the coming days, and soon after that, you will see this rallying on the upside. But definitely, you are at the 2.99 level, which is the support that we are currently seeing for this stock. 2.99 or 3 pesos area, that's almost of the same level, so that's still considered as a support level. And notice the let's have a health check for your RSI. All right, let's have this color green, yellow as well. Notice that your while you're currently sitting at the support area, so it's just moving towards that line, but your RSI is slowly gaining momentum. People are showing interest in the stock, so I think this is already a good time to enter for LR. Next would be TEL. Let's check out TEL. The same situation for TEL. Technically, this is um, currently moving on a sideways, and notice where the direction is. Your MA20 line is somehow showing, is pointing towards the upward direction. It's pointing upwards. So this is what I am going to do for this stock. I'll draw a line, right? So that would be an asymmetrical triangle. There you go. So your condition there is, if you have a breakout, so if price starts above that the yellow line over there, so that would mean you will face a brand new wave on the upside. Okay, now if the price starts below this lower yellow line, that means your decline or your bearish movement is not over yet. So just draw the triangle, and those are your conditions. So wait and see. If you see most of the sentiment happening on the upside, then potentially we will be facing a um, bullish movement. And overall, let us check. Okay, so overall, you have achieved a discounted price for Tel, because at one point it even reached a 1,371 level for the stock. Okay, next one, pizza. For pizza, okay, nice gap up over there for pizza, because you are already at a very cheap level. Strong selling pressure that happened here, and then it did a consolidation at around 11.16 level. And look what happened next. While that was doing some sideways movement, your RSI is already gaining some strength over here, and this day has been the most awaited day, and it did a gap up. So I think I would have to say we are bullish for pizza, and we might experience some more upward or more green candlesticks in the coming days. But if the market gives you a chance around the MA20 area, around 11.37, that is still good to enter for pizza. Ali, for Ali, it's retracing. So although this is green, it's slightly lower still, right? So watch out. And for me, just being conservative with this play, the best entry price would be 47.90, just in case the market gives you a chance around that level. Okay, just where your MA20 line is at. So just in case, because I'm thinking, a price may volley up and down, and the nearer you are to 47.90, the better. FLI. For FLI, this is a doji, and it appeared right at the resistance level or resistance area. So there are key areas to watch out for. Number one would be your MA20 line. If that price gets broken, then check out the next possible area of support. Let's see, check out the weekly. Mhm. Let's see if it will, the next area of possible bounce would be 1.51 level. Okay, so that's the next possible support that we see in case this gets broken. A reason for that is we see a resistance here, price consolidating in this area as well. So we are on a weekly chart. So if you are to go back to the daily chart, that is your next possible support. Okay, but definitely this stock might give us a much lower price in the coming days. BPI. BPI. Okay, it broke out of this resistance that we have seen in the previous weeks. Okay, so hopefully this will give us a brand new wave for BPI. Just observe. We might see some more bullish movements in the coming days. I think this is already what we call a successful breakout play. Uh, if the market gives you a chance around the 94.27 level, that would be great. But I'm thinking it will continue to go up. Okay, hold on just 1 second. Price was moving up, but you're slowly losing that momentum. So price is on a decline. Okay, see that? Okay, so just be extra careful, okay? If that gets broken, the next possible area of bounds would be your MA20 line.